Hi guys, welcome to the channel.
Today we'll be making banana healthy cookies.
Yes, we're going to be making healthy banana cookies today.
Yeah.
And they're going to be made with oats, which are very healthy. Bananas are healthy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Very healthy. And are those tasty cookies?
Yes.
Are they your favourite?
Yeah.
Yes, I think everybody will love them. So, for our recipe, we will need 120 grams of oats. We will need 2 very ripe bananas. We need a tablespoon of peanut butter. And then you have a choice of either raisins or chocolate. You can add whatever you want. So first thing we're going to do, Amelia, we're going to peel us some bananas and we're going to mash them, aren't we?
Yeah.
Going to peel the banana? There we go. They smell lovely, don't they?
Yeah.
Very sweet. Right. Oh, it's okay. One down.
Now one more to go.
And one more to go. But don't worry if they're a little bit bruised, that's absolutely fine.
And this other half.
And of course, we forgot to say the most important thing you should have done. We needed to do what? Before we do anything with cooking and with food?
Wash your hands.
Exactly. That's the first thing we're going to do. Right, so now, Amelia, I'm going to mash some bananas. I'm going to try and use a fork. Yeah, try to mash them down. Yeah. Hold the bowl. It's a bit awkward in that one, isn't it?
Yeah, so let's try this.
Yes, exactly. That's the better way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so hold that. You mash us the bananas.
Yeah.
Go on, put your muscles into that.
Yeah. Oh, let's mash them all up.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I can totally see the pumpkin.
Yeah, all coming through like little worms, aren't they?
Yeah, like banana worms.
Yeah, okay, let me help you a little bit.
Okay. Whoa.
Woohoo! That's a bit of workout, isn't
Oh my
it?
gosh. Oh
Yeah, look.
so many
Fun.
big banana worms.
Nice. So all we do, we're mashing the banana. So that looks like it's pretty much done, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like big worms. Banana
Whoa.
worms.
Right, so let's get this off.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Good. Oh my gosh.
Right, now, Amelia, why don't you add on some oats into here?
How many?
All of them. All of them. We already measured them out, 120 grams. Yeah.
And now mix.
Mix them together, please. Gently.
Oh, this is going to be delicious.
It is.
Banana cookies,
Yeah.
banana cookies, banana cookies.
We'll make a song about that.
Ooh.
Yeah, so now it's time to add on a little bit of peanut butter. So we have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Let's get this out. Hold on. A bit sticky. That's going to give it a nice
Oh,
flavour.
now more mixing.
And now trying to mix it all together.
Oh, to get it even tastier. This is going to be good, delicious, healthy.
So if the mixture looks a little bit dry, we're just going to add on just a little bit of water just to help us to incorporate that. Okay, let's mix that. Here we go. Okay, so now that looks pretty much like a dough, isn't it? There's nothing dry. There's no dry oats left there.
No.
Now this is a fun part. What do you want to add on? Would you like to add on some raisins or some chocolate chips? Of course. Is chocolate healthy?
Yeah.
Not really, but a little bit's okay, isn't it? So let's add on a little bit of chocolate. Okay. Few, and maybe one more. Not too much. They are healthy cookies afterwards. Can you also have some to eat? Not right now, maybe later. Right, let's Mummy mix this in. Right, we'll make sure we incorporate them. Do that smell lovely?
Yeah.
Banana and chocolate. What could be better?
What could be better than banana and chocolate?
Absolutely. So now we are ready. This was very quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so next, put this out of the way. We've got a baking sheet, and now what we're going to do is we're going to portion up the cookies. Yeah?
Yes.
We're taking a spoon. Yeah. You want to do this, okay?
And then we place it on the tray.
Yeah. Here we go. 1.
Here's our first one. Skip
Take a
the
spoonful.
second one.
Yeah, let's do that a little bit further apart.
Next cookie. Oop.
Okay, right, let Mummy help you a bit.
Thank you very
Millie,
much.
put the last one in.
Get it.
Get in there, Cookie. Right, okay.
Oop, we got two.
Oh dear, let's put them in here. Right, so now we have 6 cookies. Last one, oh dear. What happened there? Right, let's put the last one here. So now, what we're going to do, I'm going to just wet my fingers there in a little bit of water, and I'm just going to shape them and press them down a little bit. You want to do, okay. Try to make sure they're sort of smooth over the top. Yeah? Okay, smooth them over. Just like that.
It feels nice.
Yeah.
Fingers.
Okay. And just do this one. A little bit there. Not too hard. They don't spread as much as the normal cookies do. Yeah. Okay, there we are. So,
Yeah, baby.
yeah.
We
So,
got it.
so we've got 6 cookies. So now they're going to be going in preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So there we are. Our cookies are now done. And we'll let them cool down a little bit. So Amelia, why don't you try one?
Okay.
Oh, go for the biggest one. Yummy.
Good.
They are gooey, they are sweet naturally without any added sugar. Of course, a little bit of chocolate and peanut butter makes the whole world of difference. But what do you think?
Very tasty.
Yeah, best cookies ever?
Best.
Absolutely. So there we are, really, really straightforward, only a few ingredients. They're healthy, they taste good, and the best of all, kids will love them. So anyway, guys, well, thank you very much for watching.
And see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.